people dressed up as Jedis, and then you had people.
I think
dressed
I
up
just
as
started
moms.
the recording, so.
Well,
See, three,
song.
4, 5, 6. Yeah, it's counting, so it's on.
So just start wearing
What's
it.
up? Yep.
Yeah. Well, we'll see how this goes. Let's just. We should have just. I should have just hit it when it was on.
Okay.
I had
They swing
shorts.
around and hit you in the balls.
bad.
Yeah.
That's the real bad plan.
I don't know. I would just
Alright.
want to know if it's aiming at the
Do you guys want
gun.
to start on the other side of the house, or should I? Or
Someone could start here if
let's
you.
start on the other side of the house.
Okay.
So, you guys yell go. I can all yell go.
Okay. Okay.
Alright, I'm gonna explain the rules real quick. Alright, each of us have 5 lives. Tori's. Okay,
Alright.
Tori's starting now.
Okay, so you heard we all have 5 lives, and I'm going to get wrecked. I don't know if this needs to be down more or up. Okay. And then I can have my parents hook this to my phone. Oh crap, the safety's on.
Mine was on too.
Hey. Oh, that's not a good idea. Oh, that's just my dad. Where did he go? Okay, watch that. Oh, he's right there.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, go that way. I'll get. Oh, crap! Run! Where did he go? Where did he go? Come out, Tori. Oh. Who's loading? Jake? Oh no, I was like, who's loading? Because I wasn't sure if you ran over that side or that side. I think he's like right there by that tree. Oh yeah. Whoa! I almost got hit! This is run! I need to load! Cover me! I gotta load. Hey, guard me, cover me while I'm loading. Alright, he's gonna hide while we're loading. Come on, you stupid.
Yeah.
Crap.
I think I hit Alex once.
You almost. It went like right past my face.
I think I hit you in the skirt.
Maybe. I didn't feel anything, but I'm not gonna deny you didn't. So.
Well, I think I saw it, so. Where's the bullet?
Right there. Actually, oh crap, that's not good. I'm gonna reload the whole entire clip, too. Is that small one in here? Do you have this small loader thing?
Yeah, it's right here.
Because I'm going to use it for this. I forgot I had the GoPro on my head.
Cool.
Easy, boy.
I'm shooting at you.
Alright, I'll tell you when I'm ready. You go hide, Missy.
Locked and loaded. Bam. Oh, there's one again. Over there, chilling like a villain. You take that.
Shake that like a snow globe. How far is the GoPro down?
I think it's good.
Okay.
And your gun's pretty good. Like, it's pretty big, so I'm pretty sure you can see it, like, in the shot, too. I gotta aim more. I get panicked, and I'm just like, ah!
Yeah, I do too. Okay.
I do that in paintball, too. I'm just like, oh, crap!
Yeah, I try to aim, but the aiming things on the... those are kind of cruddy. Alright, we ready? Alright, we're good to go!
This way?
What?
Go that way?
Okay, yeah. He's like full on sprinting! Okay, I'm moving up closer. Oh, Tori! Come out, come out. I'm officially freaked out. Well, I found a grasshopper, but no Tori. Yeah, that one hit me. I felt it. Oh, that about hit me. Ow! That one got my stomach. I don't think I have any. Okay. Yeah, I'm out. I'm out. Bullet. I'm gonna go reload. Did you just trip? Oh, I thought you tripped.
I'm out of bullets.
I'm not no more.
I'm out of bullets. I've only been hit once.
I've been hit twice. Huh? Okay. Hey, Tori. Want to see something? Well, I will hit this grasshopper.
Twice you reload. I reloaded.
Jeez, I can't hit that grasshopper. I suck. I almost used.
Bullets were coming out. I didn't see any.
Oh, they were coming out.
Because a bunch of them just ripped out of your gun when you took the clip out.
Yeah, they do that. Yeah, we'll have to watch this once we see how good it was and sync it up to my phone, because it will show the camera on my phone and we can angle it where we want it to look at the gun.
Alright.
Yeah? If you hit that, I'm gonna laugh. Well, it's dead. I used almost half my ammo. You ready? My voice cracked. I'm afraid he's somewhere out around here.
Oh, I want safety.
I about just shot my foot. That would have hurt. He's... Yeah. Okay. I thought that banana tree was him for a minute, so I kept looking back there. I think he's reloading. Just stay right here, and then we can surprise him. Hey, guard that way. He's gone.